Nature is a manifestation of the love of God. Regardless of what we do, nature continues to love us. We love because love sets us free, and we say things that we once never even had the courage to whisper to ourselves. We make a decision that we kept putting off. We learn to say no, without thinking of that word as somehow cursed. We learn to say yes without fearing the consequences. We forget everything we were taught about love, because each encounter is different and brings its own agonies and ecstasies. We sing more loudly when the person we love is far away, and whisper poems when he is near. Even if he doesn't listen and pays no attention to either our shouts or our whispers. We don't close our eyes to the universe and then complain, "It's dark." We keep our eyes wide open, knowing that the light could lead us to do undreamed of things. That is all part of love. Our heart is open to love, and we surrender to it without fear, because we have nothing more to lose. Love is what makes you smile when you're tired.